Good morning, everyone. We are back with some more cruise news for you today. We have a story about a new option for booking your cruise. And how about some sports betting at sea? And we're going to get into all of it right after this. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. So U.S. Airlines JetBlue is going to start offering customers the ability to book their airfare, their cruise, and their hotel accommodations all in one spot through the JetBlue website. Now that does come with some guarantees. They are saying that if there are any flight delays and you miss your cruise, that they will either take you to the first cruise port, they will transfer you to a different date to go on a cruise, or of course, they will offer you a full refund for your package price. Now, I have personally never flown on JetBlue, so I do not have any experience with them, but an opportunity to book everything together that does come with the guarantee and could possibly save you some money because they do say that they can be less expensive than booking all three things individually. So if you like to fly JetBlue and you are planning on booking any cruises here in the future, you may want to go over to JetBlue's website and take a look, see what they have to offer, and see if that is a way that you might want to book. Princess Cruise Line's Ocean Sportsbook is a real-time sports betting experience that is available to all eligible passengers through the Princess Medallion program. And this week, the first sports bet at sea was made on board the Majestic Princess, which is the ship that currently has the sports betting on board. And the betting will be available anytime the ship is in international waters or docked at a port that allows betting. And you will have the opportunity to bet on football, baseball, basketball, hockey. So if you enjoy sports betting, then definitely take a look at Princess Cruise Lines. And just like anything else in the cruising industry, if this proves to be successful, which I'm sure that it will, there were over $20 billion worth of sports betting done here in the United States in 2019. You know this is probably going to be successful at sea. And if it is, definitely expect to see it travel across more cruise ships and through more cruise lines here in the upcoming future. So, are you a sports bettor? Are you interested in going out to sea and betting on any sports? Let me know in the comments below if that would be interesting to anybody that does like to gamble. Alright, I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor. Give it a thumbs up. Have yourself a great day. And we will see you out on the high seas.